I have tested more sanders than I can count, all the way from very budget friendly to extremely expensive sanders. And if I was starting over today, this is a sander I would buy depending on your budget. And if you stick around, I've got a very budget friendly dual mode sander that's going to blow your mind, especially at this price. Let's go. Before we get started, if you'd like to check out any of these sanders, I'll link those in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easier. And if available, that shop button here on YouTube. If you're just getting started in woodworking, don't overcomplicate it. Go grab the DeWalt. You're going to be happy for years to come. I used the DeWalt sander for years before I ever upgraded to anything, which was this Festool ETS 125. I did good projects. It does a really good job. It's just a heavier vibration sander, as most budget ones are anyway. If you want a very good cordless sander, pick up the Hercules. It's a really good option at that price. One thing I will add, if you're a beginner, get some type of dust collection. If you have a shop vac, make sure it has a HEPA filter inside of it. You can usually buy those upgrades or bags, things like that, just to help collect that dust. And the hose adapter kit that I'll link below, it'll help adapt all of your small tools to your shop vac. But if you can budget it, get a dust extractor whenever you can. If you've been woodworking for a while and you do quite a bit of woodworking and you sand a lot of cutting boards or dining tables or whatever you're building and you want to upgrade from a budget level sander, which way do you go? Well, there's two paths here you can go. You can go cordless or you can go corded. Cordless sanders, there's 4 on the Mount Rushmore of sanders. It just depends on how you want to do it. First, the Milwaukee M12 sanders, they're market these toward automotive, but they're absolutely just random orbital sanders, so you can use them in woodworking. I do. These are extremely nice. They're small, lightweight, they get the job done. They're very smooth. The battery life is the kind of Achilles heel here. If you want a top high-end sander, as far as woodworking cordless sanders go, reach back here, grab the Festool, you'll never look back. But if you want a kind of a mid-range price sander that's extremely nice, it does really well, either the Bosch cordless sander, which we didn't talk about here, or the Makita. Either one of these, really good for the price as far as cordless goes. I will say, no matter cordless or corded, if finish quality is your goal, you want the absolute best flawless finish there is, the rake light on this Festool is what you're going to be looking for. You want this sander. If you're a professional or if you're doing woodworking for a business and you're selling a lot of stuff and the finish quality is what you're after, you want the best of the best. And what that means, if you're spending hours sanding, a lot of time sanding, and you're tired of your hand hurting, you're tired of overheating or caked up sandpaper or using too much sandpaper, then look at one of these 3. First, the ETS 125 costs you about $300 right now. This is a really good finish sander. It is the 5-inch pad, so you are giving up a little bit of sanding area on a 5-inch. If you want to step up, I would highly recommend either the Festool or the Mirka. This is the 150/5. This is the Mirka D-Ros. I'll link to everything in the description, but these are the top 2 dogs in this fight. Funny because Mirka has a dog. I have not seen anybody talking about this sander. This is a VEVOR sander. This is a dual mode sander. In other words, it's gear driven, which means you can take off a lot of materials extremely fast. It's also random orbits. So it's just a little switch there on the side. Makes it just like a standard sander. Now in gear mode, if you need to remove a lot of material, this thing will eat. It will do it very fast. But if you don't need that and you just need to put a finishing sand on your tabletop or a cutting board or anything like that, you just put it in regular random orbit mode. This is an incredible value because it's just over $100, and anything comparable to this, like the Bosch sander, costs well over $300. The Festool Rotex, over $700. At just over $100, you're getting that dual mode performance, and the dust collection is really good on this thing. This is one of the best value sanders on the market today, in my opinion. If you'd like to check out any of these sanders, including this one, link in the description, pinned comment, all those other places, go check them out. In the meantime, go check out that other video right there because that helps the channel. Click in that box, get you a big old virtual fist bump.